Hi, Abhish.
Hi, Akash.
Pleasure.
Oh man.
You are one funny guy, huh?
Yeah.
You're a very
That's
funny
me.
guy.
That's the me.
That's the me. Now you do me.
I am Abhish. I'm sorry. I'm too excited to be on this. I told you that day also. I messaged you and I was like, oh my god, मेरे को अभी feels आ रहा है एकदम.
Really?
कि मैं भी comic.
I was initially surprised that you've seen Journey of a Joke.
I am very geeky about jokes.
Yeah?
So I watch everything everybody ever talks about their jokes anywhere because otherwise comics don't talk about comedy. They talk about comics, which is very annoying.
That is such a good point. Comics talk about comics than comedy.
Yeah, it's very frustrating for me.
Okay, welcome to Journey of a Joke.
Yes, thank you.
Today we will be discussing about your comedy set, which is Ma or Sushma.
Yes.
When did you first start writing this bit?
So this bit has the life cycle. It started in 2013. It took another 5 years for it to just be around, and it would come up and it would go away, and it would come back and it would go away. I think this bit is important because this was the first time I accepted that okay, I'm not just putting out bits every now and then because I want to retire them. Like I had to acknowledge to myself that YouTube videos are a separate but similar art form to stand-up. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Like it's not stand-up. If it was stand-up, they would be watching you live. They're not watching you live. They're at home, guys. So it's not a stand-up. It's a stand-up video, which is a separate thing into itself. I released 4 videos, which were out of a special that I wanted it to go somewhere. It didn't go anywhere. I had to completely scrap it for parts.
Okay.
Because it was a 90-minute long story. Putting out videos from a 90-minute long story, you're obviously not.
Yeah, you're losing context. Right?
Yeah, so then that, was a heartbreaking experience, but it was like a really educative experience because I had to break it down to the point of, hey, this is a fun line or this is a fun reference to a place, but where else would I use? How do I bring, why is this working? And so because of that, I got really good at, I said, let's try out, just write for somebody specifically. So this one was written for my mom only. I wanted to write something which was no gali. That was a big deal for my mom because she's like, I flinch every time you cuss. And I've seen her do it. Like she'll drop the iPad sometimes.
It's just amazing to hear that I wrote a stand-up comedy bit for my mother.
Yeah, but she's damn cool. No? She's that cool.
She's cool. It's like saying Ma or Sushma. It is a set about Ma.
Yeah,
but you wrote it with the intention that all mothers watching should enjoy a stand-up clip because most of the clips that come out
they have
is
no
catering to a millennial generation.
Yeah.
But you're not talking to the baby boomers.
Yeah, and
you were able to do that.
Especially is also the fact that they're like working mom. My mom is a working mom. Okay, which is what I talk about at the end of the video. But the shit, dude, just the shit of being a working mom, what you're expected to do in the house is just fucking ridiculous. Can I cuss? I can cuss on you.
I mean, is your mom gonna watch?
It's okay. I think she can. I'll tell her in advance.
This is unscripted material, so the cusses are coming in. Yeah.
That'll piss her off even more. She'll be like, this is how you talk now. And this is the kind of politics I like, which is not political but political.
It's an appreciative politics. Like in the sense, even in the bit that will continue to, even though you're talking about a political figure, it's in positive light, which is great.
Yeah, and I don't think people do that enough anymore. No. It's everyone's just constantly shitting on politicians, and here is a lady who's working her ass off.
Yeah.
I mean, in some sense, like a lot of the things she did still help out a lot of people.
Yeah, I think it's inspired other people to follow suit.
Yeah, and also the machinery she created in terms of especially the Twitter stuff, being able to reach the foreign affair. Like, there are so many, I don't know if you got a chance to watch Pappu ka birthday. The movie AIB.
Oh yeah, Pappu ka birthday, yeah.
So I mean, if you remember that movie, like that's about an Indian who got left behind.
Yeah, correct.
Right, and that's not like that's based in some truth. There's a lot of people like that, and they only started getting out after she came into the position she was in.
If I had to trust one of my parents, though, I would trust a mom. Moms have way more biological imperative to take care of you. Yeah, their love is hormonal. Yeah, because otherwise with my dad, I'm like, you know me and you love me, ho hi nahi sakta hai. Like, you know what I mean? Like, ho hi nahi sakta hai.
So far, in this entire joke, if I have to break it down, you have the first opening line, which is, mom's love is hormonal. That's a great premise. Mom's love is setting up the context to what's coming up.
Yeah.
Right? And dad's love, you know me and you love me, ho hi nahi sakta hai. And that gets a huge applause in this.
Yeah, because that actually, that's a trick. It's thoda cheating. So what you do is you write a premise, then you work on the premise, and then you remove the premise. So what you're left with is already a deep thought.
Give me an example of how.
So this started with a joke I used to do in 2006 16, 17. I remember this one time something happened and I just said, यार ये माँ बाप कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्यार नहीं करते हम लोग से.
You improvise that on stage.
Yeah, and it just like most of my material is written on stage only. I don't actually write anything down beforehand. And that line kind of hit me, and it hit me as a thought only, which I felt very weird. Like these parents do love us a lot. So my solution to these things is always geeky. So I went to the internet and I searched why do parents love their children. You can use an observation as a lot of things.
Correct. Yeah, and the punchline in this was obviously mom loves you more and dad doesn't love you as much.
Yeah, it's not saying it, but it's showing the contrast.
So you wrote that setup, you removed that setup, and you directly came into the immediate line, which is mom's love is hormonal. 4 words.
Exactly.
To set complete context. Now,
and the beauty of it is because I did the first part of that joke so many times, I know that audience knows this information intrinsically. It's
Correct.
not something I'm giving from outside that moms love you more.
parents हमको कुछ ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ.
From there, when did you arrive at mom's love is hormonal?
Probably a year of doing it here and there.
Only then you got those 4 words to set context
Yeah,
for a
because
minute
I
long
wanted
setup.
to spend time to see all the possibilities I can take this into, because I think it works on 2 levels. One is for the immediate thing in front of you, and one is as a craft thing, where else can I use this thing.
Correct.
So for me, I have like a very big J.R.R. Tolkien and Isaac Asimov hard-on. Like I love those guys. Mainly because they created a universe. Like everything they made was within the same. So for me, all my YouTube videos are a universe. They have cross-reference jokes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There are callbacks 2 years across. Like there are premonition. Like there are lines that I know I planned 1 year before and then I do in the next video.
And has anyone caught on to that?
Like 3 people.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Out
but
of the millions who've seen it.
Who gives a
That's
fuck?
great.
It's
That's
so
great.
much fun to do
Yeah,
it, dude.
You're the marvel of Indian comedy.
Because there's always like that stigma of going into the gender stereotype of our moms all like this, our dads all like this. If I wanted to make it scientific, so hormonal made the most sense because it suddenly sounds academic, and you are, even if you're on the fence about it, you'll agree to it.
So what you've done is that you've got one audience who agreed and the other one who got educated and understanding like hair.
Moms, they have to, because moms are involved from day one. Dad का contribution pregnancy में हो के कितना है? The most meant, and then
In that entire thing, usually somebody will be like, hey, you gave an observation, where is the punchline? Right?
Yeah.
But the reason it worked here was because the sound itself
It's the
is a
punchline.
right?
That's the punchline.
What happens with a lot of comedians, especially not just new but old, all comedians are insecure.
Yeah.
We're always like, हाँ ठीक है यार, but ये तो performance में कर दिया.
Yeah.
Or we'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, but where is this is a common observation. Like,
Yeah.
was there a tag to this? Because
No,
for me,
because-
this was the tag to your original mother joke.
Yeah, but I mean, my logic is now that the number one problem is people think observations are premises. They're not premises. They're world builders. They are there for they can be a punchline. They can be a context setter. They can be a callback. You can use them as a lot of ways. I always give this example to comics. You know, everybody knows that a dog barks. You know, that's a great observation. Good job. You have done it well. But the minute you find an observation that you know is so good that you could use it anywhere and people would know what you're talking about, what is more funny? That dog's bark, or making a dog bark at the right time in your joke? See, because now you've used an observation, that sound is a very close to what original sound of orgasm.
Well, I don't know about that, man. Usually for me,
I
sorry.
was going to go for I love you, mama, but okay. I thought keeping with the theme of the video. That sound in itself is somewhat of an observation only, which you are using as a punchline. My logic is, are they laughing or not? You know what I mean? Because it's very cute to be artsy, but comedy is a craft. Like comedy is about getting people to laugh.
You've already got a joke from hormonal going to like about your dad. Then you're immediately going into dad's contribution is less. Again, for me that's an observation.
Yeah.
But if you didn't do that sound, you wouldn't have got that laugh.
Yeah, but the reason it works is because it has this.
and then
See that clap? It's a scattered applause. It's not what I wanted. It's not like a poof. I wanted a poof there, right?
Yeah.
Setting context need not be funny. Exposition can still be funny. So because here it's when you say it's like a hit and run kind of scenario, you've done an analogy joke. It's like kar diya.
Yeah.
So that gets you the joke, and before they're done laughing with it, you immediately go into the act out of the guy running away, which is comical because I don't know how to run. Look at me running. It's horrible.
it's like a hit and run kind of scenario. You know? Hit and run. Like, just fuck off.
That's where I felt like that's why I think it peaks there, because there's a genuine anger.
Yeah.
I know a lot of friends whose dads walked out on them. And I've seen them grow up, and it's not fun to be in that family, and that frustration kind of comes out
That's
there. That they can just fuck, and that's one that my mom heard and didn't flinch also, because she also felt that.
The anger was there.
Yeah.
It was justified. It's basically an amalgamation of two sets.
Yeah.
Ma and Sushma.
Yeah, so this is what I call an in. The idea I want to present, which is maybe it usually starts midway through the video. So how do you breach the topic? How do you broach the topic in a conversation?
With a laugh in it.
With a laugh in it. So this for me was an in, because it's very easy to start talking about moms, because the immediate next joke is a very sideways weird joke, which is why it's absurdist almost.
Moms are there, they are the, and then they're just, and it's just this whole, and then they're, and frankly sometimes I think I'm pregnant. I don't know, period bhi nahi aa raha, pet bhi bada ho raha hai yaar, ekdam weird. Anyway. बहुत पीरियड मिस किया मैं.
So this is a joke which I know doesn't always hit the audience. They don't always buy into it.
That's why the subtitle comes in, because the subtitle has the joke.
No, actually the subtitle saving happens, but later on. This was just me. I've written it like this when बहुत pregnancy miss किया है मैंने, अरे बहुत period miss किया है मैंने, is the actual punchline. But this is a joke which I genuinely wanted to keep for myself. My dad kept telling me कि your mood is also bad and you keep getting fatter, and I said I think I'm pregnant because period भी नहीं आ रहा, पेट भी बढ़ा रहा, period भी नहीं आ रहा, पेट. So because she cracked it up, and then we have the same, I guess genetically, same sense of humor.
Yeah.
So I was like, no matter what happens, I will not remove this joke.
Yeah, because if you look at it holistically, if I had to comedy edit this out, I would be like, yeah, it's a good aside, but it can do without it also.
Yeah, but I
the
think
fact
that's
is kept
character
it-
also a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it builds character.
Yeah.
Because this punchline is so weird. The fact that this is your helium balloon hanging, the grounding is that you're talking about mother. Like in a mind map, you're literally gone from like माँ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, माँ से pregnancy is a period. Oh fuck, ऐसे कितने बार हुआ है कि मैं pregnancy miss किया है.
It's too far.
It's too far.
Yeah, it's too far a jump.
And that's why
I do the so what it creates is energy and tension in the room. You don't know what's coming.
Yeah.
This is a play on rhythm also, because you're building all this energy. Frankly, sometimes I think I am also pregnant. So it gives you the anti-climax at the same time. Yeah, so that always gives you like a nice kick, and the fact that the thought is so absurd just propels the joke. Absurd propels the joke further.
Moms love you unconditionally. Problem with unconditional love is that it is annoying, and it's.
Here also the was very important, because without the it would never work.
yeah, it's building up the tension to the punchline.
Yeah, and the makes you think it could go either way. Like assume amazing is going to come.
Yeah.
But because of the uncertainty of the annoying way, you get a chuckle.
It can be, dude, because okay, maybe it's just my mom, but y'all tell me if your moms do this, okay?
So this is a very good cheating, okay? Pretend like it's your parents. I don't know if it happens to you. This has only happened to me. Maybe it's just me. And then go into something that you know is a tried and tested observation that everybody obviously 100% will sink into, because you're just adding to the foreignness of where they thought you would be, but instead, oh, ye to idhar hi hai, ye to apna hi hai. So it becomes an under the nose observation without being one.
Oh, that's a great way to sell a observation. So instead of saying all moms are like this, because now the audience is also like, yeah, now what you're about to say better
be all
relatable
moms.
to me.
Yeah.
Better be all moms. It cannot be no other moms.
Yeah.
But if you say it happens to me, मेरी माँ TV देखती है while she's making. Now she's watching it on a pad and she's watching it. Like, fuck, मेरा माँ भी करता है.
So it becomes, and now they feel like they're a part of it, right? Now it's not just him talking about moms. It's not an authoritative statement. It's like, hey man, we're in this together.
Mom, but y'all tell me if your moms do this, okay? Where they'll watch the news, okay? And then they'll have a thought in their brain कि ये चीज मेरे बच्चे को हो रहा है अभी न्यूज में कुछ भी हो रहा है, डज नॉट मैटर. जंगल में टाइगर मार रहे कॉल मेरे को आ रहा है, आकाश जंगल नहीं जाना है. मैं टाइगर नहीं है. हाँ पर तू गधा दिखता है ना अक्सर तो.
Like I was just telling Lloyd also before the shoot, this is one of my favorite jokes I've ever written, because it's just so simple. Like there's nothing to it.
It is a very, very simple joke. It's like a joke that you'll get from a joke book. Right?
Yeah.
It's like a joke that your mom will WhatsApp forward it to you.
Yeah.
Right? Everybody in the audience was with you.
Yeah.
When you said जब भी कोई भी
हाँ.
news में होता है call मेरे को आते हैं.
हाँ.
Reels that happens with me.
Yeah.
And somewhere in the back of your head like wait audience don't go
Yeah,
I've got something.
I'm
coming
more-
up.
I'm more
I've
to
got
sell you.
more. And that's why you performing the joke.
Yeah.
If you remove the joke and if you write it down, I'll be like, hey, this is not a good joke.
Yeah, because
But
there's
you
structure,
put
you know?
yourself in it and the
Yeah.
structure also in it. So then when you went up to the next bit, which is
Yeah.
like tiger मर रहा है.
Yeah,
मैं tiger नहीं है.
yeah.
पर तू गधा दिखता है. For me,
Yeah.
I laughed because I was just like, as a comedian, I'm like, I cannot believe you have sold a simple joke to an applause break.
Yeah, because
You know how
they
tough
don't
an applause
see it
break is?
at all. No.
That's what.
Everything till now has been structurally complex.
Hmm.
Suddenly, you find yourself barebone fucking, oh, and it's just the joy of a sudden simple flip. It's a magic trick, right? At the end of the day, like we're doing what magicians. I think we're smarter than them because we don't need props. They do props. They have cards and shit. We don't do it with props.
We're
So-
magicians with words.
Yeah.
We're magicians
with thoughts more than
Yeah,
words
yeah,
also.
yeah,
Like,
we are
'cause
magicians
We
of
make thoughts appear out of nowhere, and you're like, oh, this is such a relatable thing.
I would like to take a moment and just write. We are magicians of thoughts. Not with thoughts. That sounds demeaning.
magicians
We're
of
magicians of thought.
It's okay, I get it. Listen, I have a mean sense of humor. I get it from my mom. My mom has the meanest sense of humor. The other day, I bought new clothes. I walked into the living room. I said, Mom, how do you like my new clothes? Do I look handsome? She said, Akash, let's be honest. Handsome is more of a face thing. I'll call you well dressed, okay? How about that?
Completely subtitle saving the joke. I was standing there. I was like, just that one moment, no, my brain is thinking to itself.
Right in the self-esteem.
What do I need to do an act out that I can write a subtitle to later.
This
So
is
I
on
did-
stage, you're
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
it.
yeah. So I'm doing this now.
This you improvise, I'm presuming, right?
Yeah.
Because the joke didn't work. Sometimes what happens is we spend our entire lifetime thinking of a great ending. For me, that joke is paper-wise great because
Yeah.
it's one of those observations which is right under your nose.
Yeah.
Saying that handsome
Is more
is
of
a
a
face
face
thing.
thing.
Handsome is a face thing,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
And well-dressed is a full body
Body
thing.
thing.
And I'm like, yes, that is so true. But instead of staying on just the observation, saying that tera face,
Yeah.
your face is not handsome, but you're well-dressed, and that's such a mom thing to say.
Yeah.
You have given a proper observation. Everyone like, dude, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हो सकता है.
But it's not cracking them.
It's
to a
not
laugh
cracking
yet.
them, and that's when, for me, the punchline is. I didn't even see the subtitle, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because I knew for me, it's right in the feels,
Yeah.
and you're like right in the self-esteem.
Yeah.
So the subtitle didn't save the joke. Subtitle enhanced the joke when you're
Yeah.
already laughing at like this is the punchline.
But it's annoying because she believes anything. I think that's the fundamental problem with all our parents. They will believe whatever they see on a screen. And I don't agree with that because I keep trying to explain to my parents, don't just believe the screen. You know what I mean? Because that's how the last guy got elected, right? And हाँ तुम लोग को भी ट्रम्प नहीं पसंद है ना अच्छा हुआ And साला सेक्सी सुअर सेक्सी नहीं सेक्सिस्ट
While going through this bit, when you said that we got elected, everyone is thinking we're talking about Modi, right? That's
Yeah.
what everyone is thinking because
Yeah.
the comedy audience knows that comedians will make fun of the right wing. And then you say Trump, and I'm like, oh, okay, good, decent flip, not bad, not bad.
Because I
It's
think
going
it was
somewhere.
also a comment on like one thing I want to do is take a step back from parents and go back to macro. So I say that's the problem with all our parents. So now it's no longer tell me if this is you. No, this is a legit observation. This is all our parents. Now this is not me asking you if you agree with me. This is me telling you what I know for fact is truth.
Yeah, correct.
They believe too much in screens because that also builds you a nice kind of bridge towards the next subject which we're moving towards, which is going to be slightly more political.
Yeah, and it's about someone you've seen only on screen, which is someone
Yeah.
Sushma. So right now we're at like your mom believes anything
Yeah.
that
So
you see on screen, which is an
Our
observation.
parents believe whatever they see on the screen.
Yeah. So now instead of saying that my mom, you're like
It's
dude,
universal
I'll tell
fact
you.
now.
Take it.
keep trying to explain. Don't just believe this. She'll believe movies. Do you understand how annoying that is to me? She watched Inception. मैं 2 हफ्ता सोया नहीं है रोज रात सोना मत इधर से She was Captain Phillips' worst month of my life. Okay, if you remember Captain Phillips, it's about Tom Hanks. He's the captain of an oil tanker. Oil tanker get attacked by Somali pirates. तो मेरा Euro trip cancel. Kidnap कर लेंगे. Somali pirate. यूरोप में. लैंडलॉक जगह पे. सोमाली पायरेट बोट लेके आएंगे. मेरे को उठाएंगे. मैं अगर लैंडलॉक जगह पे मेरे को किडनैप होना मैं नोएडा जा सकता है.
6 comedians sitting at home and hack. As soon as they heard the Noida joke. So this had various problems, okay? 2013, originally this joke was that my mom is such a concerned mom that she believes movies. Because my mom genuinely saw 2012 and got scared. Then it took me 6-8 months to actually start writing this joke. I tried some, I think 18-19 movies.
What are the refused movies that didn't make it?
Man, Gravity.
Gravity, what was the fear?
हमें space नहीं जाना है.
But it'll be a little absurd, so you dropped it.
Yeah, but what happened is हमें space नहीं जाना है became something else. I was like, mom, मेरे को कोई space लेके भी नहीं जा रहा है. अगर मेरे को रास्ते पे आके कोई बोले, hey man, you want to go to space, तो मेरे को drugs बेच रहा है. In which case मैं हाँ बोलेगा. Which you can't do in a joke that is for your mom.
Okay, so that was out.
So that was out. But here's the thing you'll notice about all my stand-up videos till now.
Yeah.
I always get movie references wrong on purpose.
Oh.
As a rule, I either say the name wrong,
So right now in this
name of the movie, name of the character, name of what was plot point.
Is that why you said Pappu ka birthday?
Is that what you were talking about? Pappu ka birthday? Chintu ka birthday. Oh! Oh! Oh wait, even I didn't get it.
Exactly.
Friends made the movie.
Exactly. Exactly.
I said yes
He
to
said
it.
yes.
In so far what we've seen, the subtitle joke comes once sporadically.
Yeah.
Here, there are 2 to 3 back to back about your appearance.
Yeah.
But you could have said it. But
It-
you would be taking time away from the audience for a better punchline.
Yeah.
You found out a way that through subtitle, I can do a tag in
the video.
I can write a joke in the video.
I know
Yeah.
it's supposed to be a video at the end of the day.
Correct. You were doing it for a video,
Yeah.
and that the perspective is what's important.
So, and here the live version also it makes a difference because you're just revving up, you're building the tension. It's the same as doing
But like cancel, and it's so frustrating because nobody's kidnapping this. Nobody's kidnapping this. Nobody. फायदा ही नहीं. If any of you are planning tonight, don't. क्योंकि किडनैपिंग इज अ कैपिटल इंटेंसिव जॉब. हैव यू रियलाइज कितना कैपिटल लगता है. पहले तुमको रोप खरीदो, पहले वो पेपर बैग चाहिए, क्लोरोफॉर्म चाहिए, ओमनी मांगता है. ओमनी इज अ मस्ट. ओनली 90s kids will know, but
So this is another hack I found. So this is the rule of 3. Usually people think is 3 words and then the third word is the punchline, but it's not that. It's the 3 beats. So if you see here, as long as something covers what would be in the perception of the audience as 2 units of time,
For example, can you explain?
it would be, oh, you need so many things to kidnap. You need chloroform, you need rope, you need an omni. That's the so ta ta na 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 na. So you use 4 examples, but the between the first example is 2 more beats, so it becomes 6 beats
So
total.
You're throwing the audience off.
Even more so than with a rule of 3, because everyone around you does a rule of 3.
So basically, what I see in your set is that it's so heavily prepared, but it's so heavily prepared to make it look like it's not heavily prepared.
Yeah.
That's why you do a lot
Because I
of.
write on stage only, you know, and genuinely I don't think of the order of the, like it just comes as, you know, what it's written on stage for the first time.
you can't kidnap me. Can't kidnap, because who will pay? Who will pay the ransom?
That's another fun thing to do if you want to start a new chapter in your set. Recoil and then come back in front.
And go silent. Let the
Yeah.
audience get used to the.
Yeah, and then you reset the time, because when you come back forward, they count that as the beginning of the beat.
कौन तुम लोग दे रहे? सब लोग 300 रुपया मिला के. नहीं कोई नहीं दे रहा. कोई तू मेरे बाप को फोन कर, आकाश के लिए 1 करोड़ रुपया चाहिए. हाँ, मेरे को भी चाहिए था वैसे, तो मिला नहीं ना. सुन ना, आगे बेच के देख लेना, आधा कर लेंगे यार. गाना चल.
Again, same as the Gada wala joke, supremely simple.
Yeah.
All I had to do was like this is the even simpler than the other joke.
So, for example, the fact that you're aware these are simple jokes, and simple jokes is not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Which is again something that we keep trying to over glorify. Bada thought.
It's like people, you can't make a sentence with all 8-syllable words. Sometimes you need 2-syllable words, sometimes you need 1-syllable word. It's just that. It's all a rhythm thing. You are starting a new subject matter, right? You're changing the chapter. So then you reset with a small joke, get them back in.
And then you go complex.
And then you go complex.
आगे बेच के देख, आधा कर लेंगे. Tag that again explode on stage.
Yeah, this whole sequence came in like one. I was just on stage and I was talking about why would you kidnap me, and I genuinely didn't know why you would kidnap me. And when you're in that moment on stage and you need to come up with something funny, you know, your subconscious will throw something for you if you do it enough.
Plus, you can't get kidnapped abroad anymore, right? Like, you can't get kidnapped abroad, especially if you are Indian. I don't know if you've been Indian lately, but
This line, you can't get kidnapped abroad, is the 2014 line from where the Sushma ji bit started. At the end of 2014, when she had already become the external affairs minister for a while, she had started doing this Twitter stuff. And I used to do a bit saying that me and my friend Dhaval want to go on vacation, but we can never go on vacation. And finally, we decided to go to the Northeast, but Dhaval's mom said no, because you will get kidnapped there
And you removed all of that and to just a line कि
Yes.
Indian को कोई
kidnap नहीं कर सकता. And the reason I make it like that, like, is because I wanted to write this line, which is, I don't know if you've been Indian lately.
Yeah, that's
Sorry.
funny.
Which is, I felt like that was like a very poignant thing to say because of
Have
the
you been
way,
Indian lately?
yeah, not from that point of view, but also from the context of people constantly telling you that you're not, that you're anti-Indian or that you're anti-national or that you're not, you don't have the values that you should have as an Indian person. So I think it was kind of a comment on that.
Also, it's an appreciative line.
Yeah.
Usually you say, I don't know if you've seen this lately.
Yeah.
So this is an appreciative line of like, I don't know if you've been Indian lately, but things are great for us right now. When you said, have you been Indian lately? I was like, it's funny because it's weird. But also there was like a positivity thing to it, which is weird to see. I'm going to watch the Sushma bet on
Yeah.
that.
If you've been Indian in the last 4 years, you get kidnapped abroad, don't stress. Don't worry at all, okay? You just have to do the most logical thing. एक बार tweet करो, सुषमा जी बचाएंगे.
When I saw Ma or Sushma for the first time, I thought Sushma could be your sister's name, could be the Didi who comes and works, could be the cook. I didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
So I had forgotten what the topic was because I was sold on Ma and then you kidnapping, just aside. Then when you, for the first time, you dropped Sushma.
Is when you as an audience realize that's the Sushma he was talking about.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was a big reveal. For a lot of people watching the video now, they know who you're talking about because Sushma Swaraj is a big name.
Yeah.
But at that time, because it was coming from a point of like, let's see where this is going. I'm watching it as a non-Indian, a non-human, an alien watching comedy.
Yeah.
So when you said Sushma, I was like, oh, I put two and two together. So for me, that was the first big laugh. You could have just said Sushma ji, Sushma ji will save you. And if you went to another joke, say about another joke only, then I'd be like, it's a little bit of a name drop. Why don't you explore more on that?
That's a big problem I feel with jokes. When you can, if somebody's name is your punchline, anybody can do that joke. Like anybody could have done this joke of Ki Sushma, but then it's about where you take it after is where character comes out, like of who you are as a comic.
Character, opinion, thoughts, belief, emotions of this Akash.
Exactly.
Some of you are very afraid of what I said. Don't worry, I'm on her team. Okay, I am a big fan of Sushma ji. I think Sushma ji for PM. I'm not kidding. 2019, उससे बोला she's not running for election. मेरा दिल टूट गया. मतलब यही तो best है. I'm serious. Look, okay. Did you know who the Minister of External Affairs was before Sushma ji? No, right? Did you know it was called Minister of External Affairs before I said it? No, you didn't. You didn't because you thought it's Foreign Minister. That's what everybody thinks. See, the hence Sushma ji. Most reliable, always there. I'm telling you, मैं Twitter पे जाऊँ ना, मैं किसी को follow नहीं, मैं सिर्फ सुषमा जी को follow करता है. हाँ, क्योंकि कल मेरे को जब अलकायदा उठाएगा, हाँ, मेरे को डाल दिया ओमनी में, और अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं मुंबई से अफगानिस्तान. तो obviously तो मेरे को क्या करना, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करने का, मेरे को बस मोबाइल खोलो, ट्विटर खोलो, कोई भी ट्वीट पे रिप्लाई करके दीदी बचाओ, बस अलकायदा का जो फटेगा ना वो रात. They will not know fear like this. रात को 3 बजे ऐसा दिख 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 हेलीकॉप्टर लाइट दिख रहा है, कौन है सुषमा जी स्वतः है.
This was the bit where, you know why? You were sitting all this while.
And I jumped jumps and I fall at the
and you
same
fall
time.
like, yeah! I was like, that is in my head like vivid storytelling.
Such a vivid, no? Oh,
and
man.
then I could imagine jumping like, hey, it's badass! Like, you know, none of that is needed. It's like, hey! So funny.
It's such a quick progression of lines that the image just builds in your head, you know. That's why it took me so long just to make sure I sit at the right time of that joke. Like you have to sit at the right time so that it's far enough from this jump that it doesn't look intentional.
It seems like, you know, there were lines after lines after lines after lines and lines, and then you reduce it to two words to get the punchline.
Yeah, and the sitting also had to be preponed to the point where it felt like organic as opposed to setting up for just the jump.
That is true, because if you were standing and you jumped, it would have been also funny.
Yeah,
but the fact that you were relaxed and suddenly when she jumped, you gave like, oh!
Yeah, and is that line of sight also works, no? Okay, udhar light hai and bhaat karke wo gira. And
acute observations such as helicopter are fine. वो light में दिख नहीं रहा कौन है. That's great because you're actually visualizing beam
that
there.
beam light.
Like I know that you would have gone like wind is coming, dust is going, grass निकल
everything. Yeah. But then I realized कि what's important to the exact visual is just the panic of the moment, right? Of the person who is in the camp. Now the visual in your head as an audience is a woman in a sari.
Yeah.
Who has jumped from a helicopter and stood and
किधर है आकाश? @ कुछ भी मैं था मांगता है मेरे को.
I wanted to save my Instagram, my Twitter handle in it.
Oh, you just want to say
I wanted, because my logic is that she would not identify me as
Akash Mehta. She would write.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I kind of fucked up here by saying Akash first. I was supposed to just say किधर है @ कुछ भी Mehta.
Yes, that would have been a great joke,
Yeah.
because you won't even have to sell that opinion. Hey, किधर है @ कुछ भी Mehta. It's like that's true. The way you got out was through Twitter.
Yeah.
That would have been a great
But
joke.
it just
dude.
like
it
couldn't,
didn't
just
work
one
right.
line off and it just
That's the
fucking
thing.
went.
Just instinctively you said Akash instead of @ and
Yeah.
dude, it just man, that joke you could have ended the video there.
अरे यार, but that's what.
अरे dude, वो औरत अवेंजर है, तुम लोग समझ नहीं रहे हो.
Suddenly, so many visuals are flooding your head.
Yeah.
Like that moment, she's there, she's standing, she calls out. Now again, you are introduced to more visual imagery कि ये तो Avenger है. And then I start going into all their.
वो लैंड करेंगे ना, सब अलकायदा वाले बंदूक छोड़ के सब वकांडा सब फट जाएगा सबका.
I've been asking comics everywhere around. Why do you think this line works?
The Wakanda,
Yeah.
because the way you did it.
Because right, there's no logic to it. It makes no sense. There is
yeah.
no reference that connects these two
No
things
Marvel
together.
movies have you ever lost and then Wakanda.
And yeah, they never do that shit.
And the Wakanda joke for me is the build up, it's the energy, the tension. If you watch it again, watch that last bit again. And if you imagine you speaking without words, if you're just going,
Yeah.
like
It
literally
still
this
conveys
entire
a
bit,
lot
it
of-
still
yeah,
conveys it.
conveys a
You go, कुछ भी मैं तो, and then you're like, if you do all of that, you're still able to
I
generate
wish I
that
could do
story.
sound effects like you do. You have so many sounds you can do, man.
Sounds of a beast.
ऐसा बल्लू से बुलेट रोक रहे हैं, गजरा फेंक के गले काट रहे हैं, क्या पता. And I know she can do it. If anyone can do it, she can do it. She's a working mom, dude. I know working women.
That's what I wanted to point out.
I'm telling you.
The most is the fact that she's a working mom. So give credit where it's due for being that.
Yeah.
And then bring it back to the fact that my mom is a working mom. Because at the end of the day, this is for mom.
My mom is a working mom. I'm telling you. औरत ने ऐसा एक बार साड़ी के नीचे नाइकी का जूता पहन लिया ना, फिर खत्म. वो उखाड़ के रहेंगे.
When we make a joke or complimenting women,
Yeah.
it can either come across patronizing, it can come across condescending, it can come across pandering, which
Yeah.
is another problem. It seemed so honest because you're talking about your mother
Yeah.
and not saying all mothers. You're saying साड़ी के नीचे sneaker पहने तो खत्म.
Yeah, and it's also the build-up line of I know working moms. Okay, my mom is a working mom. So immediately, you know, I think it gives you some. Then it's not me commenting about women. It's me commenting about something I learned from my life. And honestly, that's where it comes from. Like, my mom was the first woman to enter the Bombay Stock Exchange. She became the first president of the Bombay Stock Exchange, the first female president.
Oh, wow.
You understand? The first woman they let in, she made it to the top. Okay, and like for me, that's the visual of her in my head. Like going to her office, seeing submarine ka this thing come from the top floor of BSc, and my mom just standing in a sari with her hands on her hips with shoes, just screaming the fuck out of a dude. And just being on top of everything, you know what I mean? And I remember very distinctly that because my mom has arthritis. So her legs are always swollen, you know? And just it kind of emotionally triggered a lot of things when I started meditating on it. Like, yeah, because I would watch my mom trying to put on the shoes, even though they were so swollen, she could barely wear them. And she could not wear the chappals. You could see the mark of the chappal digging into her skin because they're so swollen. And she would still wake up, still make sure we went to school, still make sure we went to office. There was dinner on the table at the end of the day. There was, you know, everything was organized for. My dad's side of the family was taken care of when they came for a random surprise visit. You know, all those, it all kind of culminated to me in the idea of just suiting up and fucking going out and taking the day. And that purpose comes out from, like, for me, it's like my mom wearing those shoes. Like, I'm gonna stick to the traditional shit. I will do the bindi. She does all the things that they want her to do. But like, this is like under the hood.
Under the hood.
It's like मैं kick-ass करने को आई है. So that kind of, I felt, should have been said at the end. So I ended it there.
That amalgamation of sadi and the sneaker and to khatam is, that's what I said, empathy joke versus a written joke. It's not a punchline as much as a verbal punchline than it is like
A
empathetic
feelings punchline.
At the end, what did your mom think of it?
I didn't get to see it until the day before the release. That's the only time I saw it. So I showed her. She didn't watch it for I think a day or two because
After the upload.
Yeah, because her thing is she asks me first कि कितना गाली किधर गाली. So I know what's coming, and I told her, I said गांड few times, and I said the F word once, and it's still not her favorite video of mine. Her favorite video of mine for some reason is still Tinder tips.
This is a great example of if you write for something personal,
Yeah.
you come up with something great. And thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you for
coming.
doing this. This was really fun, man. It was like a walk down memory lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. I hope you had fun.
I loved it. I'm going to fist bump you because my hands are sweaty and cold right now. But this is a great place to cut it. Like just boom, and that's the cut.